KBE. This logo stands for Plastic Construction Components, Pool Facilities, Stainless Steel Construction Components. The company, KBE, was founded in 1965 by a German engineer, based on the idea of a German water sportsman to adjust the water depth in swimming pools. 2 years after being founded, the company was taken over by the current family owners, continuing in the second generation. KBE has earned an excellent name worldwide for quality and reliability. As indicated by our logo, the glass fibre reinforced plastic components are manufactured in moulds in the hall on the left, while the stainless steel parts are cut and cornered, forged and straightened, drilled and countersunk, lathed and milled, welded and electropolished in the mechanical workshop on the right according to the specifications of the design department. KBE is a specialist welding firm certified by the German Association for Welding Technology, employing certified welders with certificates for electrode and tungsten inert gas welding of thin-walled stainless steel sheets. KBE completes finishing work and fulfills all the requirements of the European standard EN 13451 concerning moving floors and pool dividers. Pre-assembly is carried out in a third hall. The individual parts are assembled, aligned, screwed and doweled. Here, new developments are also tested in trial runs. Checks are made on the behavior of the complete construction, such as comparison of bending with the calculated values of the structural analysis, oscillation behavior and torsional stiffness. All production steps of our various systems are always checked by the designers and management. Finally, it's time for shipping and the subsequent assembly. Within Germany and its neighbours, the components are shipped by road on lorries in 40-foot containers. The assembly crew arrives separately to take delivery of the consignment at its destination. Once on the building site, the components, which are designed so that they fit through a standard door, are transported to the pool to be pieced together one by one from the floor up. This is always the case, no matter whether it's a moving floor or a pool divider. The substructure and drive elements are made of rust-proof, high-quality stainless steel, while the surface optionally consists of fiberglass reinforced beams, non-slip GRP sections or stainless steel cassettes to fit tiles. The moving floors offer 3 development lines of horizontal spindle, vertical spindle and inner spindle floors, with other derivatives, corresponding with their respective primary use. The pool dividers are separated into fixed and horizontally movable pool dividers. The fixed pool dividers include moving and hinged walls which are assembled as barriers, either on their own or in combination with moving floors. The movable pool dividers are available either as track running versions with electrical drive or as floating versions with manual movement. Detailed information is available in the KBE brochure. And, by the way, moving floors can be equipped with additional facilities such as integrated or added steps or vertically and laterally adjustable bars. A test run is carried out after assembly, and this is shown in the video in real time. Satisfied customers worldwide are testament to the performance capability of KBE. An experienced customer service department with trained engineers and a comprehensive spare parts stores contributes to this, so that the moving floor, hinged wall or bulkheads work like clockwork even after 20 years, just as they did on the first day. Did you know that moving floors can be raised 2 to 3 centimeters above the water level so that they can be used to cover the surface of the water? The savings in heating and ventilation costs are considerable and can be backed up with figures. Neither the time nor admission fees are displayed on the control panel. Only the water depth lights up in 3-figure digital display to assist the operator. However, the water depth display is far more important for the swimming pool visitor. When entering the indoor swimming pool, the visitor is informed of the water depth by means of red numbers about 100 mm high, which indicate the operating depth of the movable floor. 2 luminous pictograms provide additional information in respect of the movable floor during the adjustment procedure, warning that the pool must not be used in this area and that swimmers must not jump from the edge of the pool when the water is less than 1.35 meters deep. Both the control panel and water depth display can also be supplied, optionally, as wall surface or wall recess installations. We can also install the water depth display in a ceiling suspension model and, on request, design the display to be provided on both sides. It's interesting to note that in the case of therapy pools, the movable floor can be operated not only by the control panel, but also by means of a watertight, handy remote control using infrared technology. Strong on consulting, customer-friendly, technically accomplished, experienced and competent. That's your KBE.